Welcome back to Stephanie Traditional Home. Today I have a very small haul. Two items are from Walmart that I purchased last week. And three items are from a local business here. While you're here, will you subscribe, like, and comment? Stay tuned to see the haul and to see me decorate the things I just bought. The first items that I bought from the local store here are some tulips. As you can see, they have not completely opened. They are a little golden undertone of the yellow and the green stems, and they were $2 each, and I purchased 5. Let's see how I will place them. For now, this is where I place them on the coffee table in the vase, the blue and white vase. This is the next item. Has a working top. $15. And let me show you where I will style this one. Okay, this is over where, excuse me, my curio is. I'm going to take away this blue and white one, and place this one here. That way I can push this back because it's not that high, and that one could be seen easily. This vanilla and cedar that I bought yesterday, it's not that bad. It's from Kirkland. Not excellent, but it's not bad either. Now this is the final item. It's a blue and white, but look at the shape of it. And it's heavy. That's why I'm not holding it with one hand. Look on the inside. At the base. And then its body. All the way around. And this one, $89.99. I stay in a small town with a small boutique. And this is simply beautiful. Now, let me show you how I will style it. Now, on my dining room table, as of now, I have these flowers and this blue and white vase. I will remove, it's heavy too, so hold on. Here's the vase that I just got through showing you. And I will put it in the middle of the table where I got the other blue and white vase. Okay. Look how beautiful that is. If I wanted something in here, it could be flowers. Of course, I'm just haphazardly placing these. It could be fruits. You can fill it up with cookies. You can leave it like it is. But here's how I'm going to move these away to show a simple, elegant table by removing these items right here. Simply putting this in the center. Bringing the candles over. Isn't that beautiful? And then here's our, this has stayed here since I did a tablescape, and another one will be coming up next week. And I might just use this vase in it. But say for instance you did want some flowers in it, I would either put blue or white. Let's see, can I make them stick down just a little more? Okay, yes. Look how beautiful that is. And let me remind you of where I put the small jar. And the tulips. That's it for today, for our small haul and where I placed them at. Until the next video, thank you. This is Stephanie at Traditional